She is born from fire, yet raised in silence. She is Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, yet books were taken away from her. She is Shakti, the symbol of power, yet at every step she was called weak. This is the same land where goddesses are worshipped, where Durga rides a lion. Yet social evils have pushed the future of an ordinary girl into darkness. This is the same country where the scriptures say, Yatra naryastu pujyante, ramanti tatra devata. Where women are worshipped, there the gods reside. But the atrocities of a certain era pushed the future of women far behind. Even today, women continue to struggle for freedom from illiteracy, economic hardship, and social oppression. With the vision of bringing new colors into the dreams of such women and giving their lives a new identity, the Ladli Foundation Trust was established. Today, countries across the world are committed to achieving the goal of gender equality, because everyone understands that equal opportunities for women are essential for the complete development of any nation. For the past 13 years, while working at the grassroots level on these issues affecting women, the Ladli Foundation has brought forward the stories of daughters who were oppressed both by their families and by society. The Ladli Foundation is not just a social organization, it is a living story, the story of Devendra Kumar. At the age of just 2, Devendra and his 3-day-old newborn sister were abandoned by their parents in a poor settlement. Growing up in extreme hardship, Devendra began child labor at the age of 8, where every day became a new struggle for survival. At times, he was brutally beaten by drug-addicted youths, and at other times, he became a victim of social exploitation. His efforts to protect himself from these harsh realities eventually led him to work alongside the Delhi police as a community police volunteer. And from there, he took it upon himself to transform the lives of many people facing struggles similar to his own.
मिनिमम अगर आप एक गरीब से गरीब घर की भी अगर एक शादी की आप बात करो तो 2-2.5 लाख रुपए से कम नहीं लगता। ऐसे में उनके साथ बहुत सारी एट्रोसिटीज होती हैं। खासकर ऐसे घरों में उन लड़कियों को ब्याह दिया जाता है जहां पर डबल एज का अंतर होता है। सामूहिक विवाह ये एक इतना प्यारा कंसेप्ट है जो कि बहुत सारी एट्रोसिटीज को, बहुत सारे एट रिस्क सिचुएशन जो वल्नरेबल गर्ल्स के साथ होने वाली होती है उसको रिड्यूस करता है।
While witnessing the suffering and deprivation faced by daughters in impoverished communities, Devendra struggled to protect his younger sister from child marriage and dowry-related abuse. But in those settlements, this struggle did not belong to Devendra alone. Most daughters in those communities were facing the same pain. Inspired by this reality, Devendra began working for all such daughters and in 2012 established the Ladli Foundation. By leveraging traditional beliefs for sustainable empowerment under the guidance of international saint Swami Avdeshanand Giriji, Ladli Foundation started Kanya Pujan across many cities of India. Through the influence of India's leading religious and spiritual leaders, Ladli Foundation has inspired millions of people to provide social protection and support to underprivileged girls. With this vision, sustainable Kanya Pujan has transformed a traditional ritual into a lifelong commitment to ensuring the security, health, education, and dignity of daughters. Today, this initiative is turning tradition into transformation, bringing hope, protection, and empowerment to the lives of millions of girls.
आज भी नारी तक उसके अधिकार नहीं पहुँचे हैं, उसे हम शिक्षित करें, संस्कारित करें और उसके सम्मान स्वाभिमान के लिए आगे आएँ, उसके अधिकारों की रक्षा के लिए आगे आएँ। तो उसके अधिकारों के लिए और उसे शिक्षित संस्कारित करने के लिए लाडली का जो ये प्रयोग अथवा लाडली के जो समग्र आयाम और उसका अनुष्ठान है और समाज में जो कुछ भी लाडली के द्वारा हो रहा है वह अभिनंदनीय है।
These mass marriage programs protected daughters from criminal gangs that trapped poor girls into human trafficking under the false promise of marriage to good men. Through its innovative initiatives, the Ladli Foundation has positively transformed the lives of more than 3.5 million people so far. It has improved healthcare access for over 1.2 million people and provided the first access to education for more than 15 lakh individuals, giving a new direction to their future.
दिल्ली सरकार के जो स्कूल्स थे उनमें एक बहुत बड़ी समस्या ये थी कि कंप्यूटर लैब्स वहाँ मौजूद नहीं थी। कंप्यूटर की नॉलेज तो एक बेसिक नॉलेज है, तो वो प्रोवाइड करने में लाडली फाउंडेशन ने बहुत ही एक अच्छा कदम उठाया। स्कूलों के अंदर कंप्यूटर लैब्स लगाई गई, जिसका बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट स्कूलों पे दिखा।
In 2017, the participation of 20,000 men in the Run for Ladli Half Marathon further strengthened the spirit of gender equality. The initiative was widely appreciated by the Home Minister, the Minister of Social Justice, international diplomats, and many distinguished guests. For his countless efforts and contributions towards social transformation, Ladli Foundation has received 2 national awards from the Government of India and appreciation from 4 Presidents of India: Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, Shri Ramnath Kovind, and the current President, Srimati Draupadi Murmu.
दिल्ली पुलिस और लाडली फाउंडेशन के अध्यक्ष श्री देवेंद्र गुप्ता, इन दोनों को भी मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि जन सामान्य में लाडली सुरक्षा के प्रति एक जागरूकता पैदा करने की दृष्टि से एक अभिनव प्रयास उन्होंने प्रारंभ किया है।
The work of the Ladli Foundation is being appreciated not only nationally but also internationally. In 2020, the Ladli Foundation was granted special consultative status at the United Nations. In 2021, during the 65th Commission on the Status of Women, UN Secretary General Mr. Antonio Guterres appreciated the Foundation's impactful efforts in women's health and the eradication of child marriage.
Working for women empowerment or strengthening the underprivileged communities is just not a social responsibility. I think it is the foundation of progressive and equitable society.
What began with organizing mass marriage ceremonies has today evolved into a global movement, benefiting millions of people through various world-class programs dedicated to women empowerment. This organization is not just an institution, but a ray of hope committed to transforming the lives of every underprivileged and needy individual in society.
लाडली फाउंडेशन, आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई मेरी तरफ से।
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग लाडली फाउंडेशन से जुड़े, के अंदर वॉलंटियर बने।
समाज के लोग लाडली के साथ जुड़े। एक एक कन्या को अगर हम गोद दे सकें और उसके शिक्षा और स्वावलंबन के लिए हम खड़े हो सकें, तो समाज में बड़ा परिवर्तन होगा।
और जहाँ तक बात है लाडली फाउंडेशन की, उनके लिए तो मैं ये कह सकती हूँ कि पूरी धरा भी साथ दे तो और बात है, तू जरा भी साथ दे तो और बात है। यूं तो एक पाँव से भी चलते हैं लोग, पर दूसरा भी साथ दे तो और बात।
लाडली फाउंडेशन,
Ladli Foundation,
Ladli Foundation,
लाडली फाउंडेशन,
लाडली फाउंडेशन,
Ladli Foundation,
लाडली फाउंडेशन,
Ladli Foundation,
लाडली फाउंडेशन,
Ladli Foundation.